Poland is embarking on one of the most colossal infrastructure projects in Europe's history, the Solidarity Transport Hub. This monumental development, stretching over 360 kilometers, is set to redefine air travel in the region and potentially the world. The hub's centerpiece, Warsaw Solidarity Airport, will stand as one of the largest and most modern airports globally, aiming to handle millions of passengers with cutting-edge engineering and design. What makes the Solidarity Transport Hub so groundbreaking is not just its sheer scale, but its integration of air, rail, and road transport into one massive interconnected system. By 2032, Solidarity Transport Hub aims to be a major player in global aviation, surpassing major airports such as London Heathrow. This is not just a new airport, it's the foundation of a future transport ecosystem that could propel Poland into the heart of European connectivity. A vision decades in the making. The roots of this vision go back to the 1970s when Poland first dreamed of a central transport hub. While Poland's current gateway, Warsaw Chopin Airport, is operational and handles significant traffic, it has become increasingly inadequate. The airport's runways are limited, and its location within the city restricts its growth, making it unable to accommodate the increasing demands of international travel. By 2017, the Polish government made an ambitious decision. It would create a new state-of-the-art transport hub to support the country's growing role in Europe. The result is the Solidarity Transport Hub, a visionary project that integrates air, rail, and road infrastructure into a single mega hub, Warsaw Solidarity Airport. At the core of Solidarity Transport Hub will be Warsaw Solidarity Airport, a feat of modern engineering and design, planned to cover a staggering 450,000 square meters, more than 10 times the size of Krakow's historic main market square. The airport will be one of Europe's largest. Its modular design allows for gradual expansion, meaning the airport can scale as passenger traffic increases without disrupting operations. At launch, the airport will be able to handle 34 to 40 million passengers annually, double the current capacity of Warsaw Chopin Airport. The long-term vision is to expand the airport's capacity to 100 million passengers annually, challenging some of the world's busiest airports for supremacy. The terminal will feature 140 check-in desks initially, with space to add 30 more if demand increases. The layout of the terminal will ensure smooth passenger flow, with 3 distinct levels dedicated to arrivals and departures, preventing congestion. Advanced engineering features, like column-supported arcades, will ensure the terminal's design is efficient and sustainable, reducing the amount of steel used in construction. Groundbreaking airport runways and advanced technology. A standout feature of Warsaw Solidarity Airport will be its massive runways. Each runway will be 4,000 meters long and 45 meters wide, enough to accommodate the world's largest aircraft, such as the Airbus A380. These parallel runways will allow for simultaneous takeoffs and landings, increasing flight capacity and reducing wait times. With these features, the airport is poised to become one of the most efficient hubs in the world. The air traffic control tower, rising 105 meters into the sky, will give controllers a commanding view of the entire airfield. This design is essential for managing the large volume of air traffic expected at the airport. Additionally, Solidarity Transport Hub is investing heavily in cutting-edge air traffic management systems, including AI-driven solutions and a technology development center to explore new frontiers in data analysis and remote tower technology. Another technological marvel at the airport will be its state-of-the-art baggage handling system, featuring 11 kilometers of conveyor belts designed to efficiently sort and move luggage across the terminal. In the early stages, Solidarity Transport Hub plans to have between 50 to 68 contact stands, nearly triple what Warsaw Chopin Airport currently offers. Flexible stands will allow for quick changes in how gates are used based on aircraft size, optimizing airport operations. A seamless rail network. While the airport will be the centerpiece of Solidarity Transport Hub, the entire project is designed to be a multimodal transport hub, linking air, rail, and road in a seamless network. The centerpiece of this vision is the high-speed rail network, which will span 1,600 kilometers across Poland, connecting major cities with the new airport. The rail system will feature trains that can reach speeds of up to 350 kilometers per hour, cutting down travel times dramatically. For example, passengers passengers traveling from Warsaw to the Solidarity Transport Hub Airport will be able to make the journey in just 20 minutes. The high-speed trains will also connect Warsaw to other key cities, such as Łódź, Kraków, and Poznan, further enhancing the region's connectivity. One of the most ambitious engineering projects in this rail system will be the construction of a 4.6-kilometer-long tunnel beneath Łódź. This rail tunnel, the widest and longest of its kind in Poland, will allow high-speed trains to pass smoothly under the city center. The tunnel will be dug using a tunnel boring machine, a complex piece of equipment that creates tunnels while simultaneously installing segments of concrete to reinforce the structure. The rail network will be powered by a 25 kV AC electrification system, ensuring compatibility with European high-speed rail standards and enabling efficient, fast travel across the country. The aim is not just to connect major cities, but to create a transport ecosystem that integrates seamlessly with the airport and road networks, enhancing Poland's position as a transport hub in Europe. A new economic zone. Beyond the transport infrastructure, Solidarity Transport Hub is also set to be a major economic driver for the region. The project is located on 3,000 hectares of undeveloped land, and plans are in place to develop an entire airport city around the transport hub. This airport city will include office buildings, logistics centers, hotels, and public spaces, all designed to integrate with the airport and rail station, creating a modern urban district from scratch. The vision is to make Solidarity Transport Hub not just a transport hub, but a magnet for businesses and services, drawing economic activity from across Poland and beyond. The new road network, which will connect Solidarity Transport Hub to major expressways like the A2 motorway, will further ensure that goods and people can move efficiently in and out of the hub, enhancing Poland's competitiveness on the global stage. Political, economic, and social obstacles. Building such a massive project comes with significant challenges, both technical and social. One of the biggest hurdles has been acquiring the land needed for the hub. With over 3,000 hectares of land required, the project has necessitated the relocation of thousands of people from nearby villages. While this has led to some community opposition, the Polish government has introduced a voluntary acquisition program, offering higher than market prices for land and compensation for buildings, with a 20% bonus on land value and a 40% bonus for buildings. By mid-2025, more than half of the required land has already been acquired through this program, avoiding forced expropriation. The project has also faced scrutiny over its cost, estimated at around 131.7 billion Polish zloty, approximately $31 billion. Critics have questioned whether such an enormous investment is justified, especially given the changing political climate in Poland. However, despite these concerns, the Polish government has reaffirmed its commitment to the project, signaling that construction will continue, albeit in a phased approach. A bright future for European travel. As of mid-2025, the Solidarity Transport Hub is in its pre-construction phase, with early enabling works already underway. The foundations for the airport are set to be laid in 2026, with the first phase of the airport and the crucial Warsaw-Łódź high-speed rail link scheduled to open by the end of 2032. Once completed, Solidarity Transport Hub will not only serve as one of the largest and most efficient airports in Europe, but also become the central node of a new interconnected transport system that will transform travel across Poland and Europe. The Solidarity Transport Hub is a massive undertaking, pushing the boundaries of engineering, technology, and urban planning. If successful, it will cement Poland's place as a key player in European transport, offering faster, more efficient travel for millions of people while driving economic growth in the region. While challenges remain, the project is a testament to Poland's ambition and vision for the future, a future where its new transport hub will connect the nation to the world in ways never before imagined. Wow, what an incredible journey through Poland's ambitious Solidarity Transport Hub. If you're as amazed by this colossal vision as we are, make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment below and let us know. Do you think CPK can become Europe's next super airport? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep dreaming big and exploring the wonders of human innovation.